Greetings! It's Maxo Diddley. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can bulk print off your eBay labels on eBay. Let's get right into it. So, on eBay, you're going to want to go up to the URL bar and you're going to want to do the following. ebay.co.uk/ship/bulk. If you're in a different country, replace ebay.co.uk with ebay.com or whatever it is. And then you want to press the enter key. And you're going to be taken to a Get Labels in Bulk webpage, where every item you've sold will have a little entry in a table, and you'll have the option to then decide which postage label you want for each item. Once you've gone through it, then click on Review Purchase. And it'll just double check everything you've ordered, then you can click on Continue. And now you'll have all of your eBay labels in one PDF to make printing off really quick and really simple. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.